my channel. I'm DeeDee. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you guys so much. Okay, so today's video, now y'all know I love me a good mini twist, but I have never done mini braids. I'm gonna say, well, it's mini braids, but really it's plaits. I've never done that before, so I said this would be my first time trying it. I'm really excited about it. So the products I'm gonna be using are this Shea Moisture, what is this? Shea Moisture Styling Lotion. Can y'all see that? There we go. And I just have my water bottle that has like water and leave-in conditioner inside of it. And I'm going to be using this Cream of Nature Extra Hold, what is this? Oh, Perfect Edges for my edge control. Okay, so I have my hair sectioned into 5 sections. So what I did before that, I washed, deep conditioned and blow dried my hair. I didn't flat iron it, I just blow dried it. I put it in 5 sections. So let me turn around so y'all can see my sections. Okay, so the reason for me doing the 5 sections was because I'm trying to keep track of how long it's taking me. I only want to spend 5 hours on this. So my theory is if I do 5 sections, then it means I can only spend an hour on each section. So I can kind of look at my watch or whatever I'm doing and do it like that. I'm not going to do it all at one time. I'm going to just take my time doing it, you know, an hour here, an hour there. But the reason why I did, okay, so I have these 2 sections right here, and then I have one in the middle, because I feel like sometimes when we do styles, well, I know when I do mine, the hardest part for me is doing the parting of the hair. But when you put the split in the middle and you start your style, I feel like you still have that long split in the middle and there's no hair to like cover it up or make it look okay. And it's hard to do all the different little small parts because you're doing it on your own hair. It's not like I'm doing somebody else's hair, you know. So I put the section in the middle so that I could do new rows across, so I wouldn't have that deep long split from here all the way back straight through the middle, you know, and going on both sides. I kind of wanted to all just, you know, blend together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this style since I don't want it to take that long. Okay, so here we go. So this is the first one, and it's like way smaller than I wanted it to be, but hey, it's the only way I'm gonna learn. So moving forward, I'm definitely gonna be doing them bigger than this. This is like, y'all see that? Yeah, this is like really small. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is start sectioning it up. So what I'm going to do is continue to section and try to make them bigger. I really like this edge control. I don't know if it's gonna stay, but I really like the smell of it. I put some at the base, if you couldn't tell, and then I put a little bit on the braid because it was looking a little frizzy. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. Here we go. Okay, y'all, so I finally finished the back. So I did the 3 sections that I had in the back. I'm not sure, I haven't counted how many I braided, but what I learned from that was, y'all remember I did the first one, I was like, oh my god, I think it's gonna be too small. But even when I started parting a little bit bigger, my hair is so fine that I just feel like the plait is gonna be small no matter what. Like, I know my hair looks thick, but if y'all actually touch my hair, it's not like very coarse and dense. Well, it's a little coarse, but it's not like real dense, you know what I mean? It's just like really fine hair. So no matter what, my braids are gonna be a little thin, but I really like them. So this is the back. All right, so I'm about to get on this front, okay? Y'all, this hairstyle is literally kicking my butt. Okay. So I am finally finished. When I tell y'all, my arms are so tired. Like, cause I have to do the plaits like up like that. When I'm twisting, I can just twist like this. So there's a big difference in braiding and twisting. Now, as far as the look, I really like the way that they look, and I feel like it's gonna be easy for me to maintain them. I had to take one down, and then I end up making it into two, and it took a long time just to take that one down. So I'm not looking forward to taking them down. But things that I've learned, I feel like I would definitely do this protective style after I blow dry. Like, maybe blow dry one day and then the next day do the style, because I feel like my hair had kind of started like tangling a little bit, even though I had it section in for just, I don't know, over time it just didn't feel the same as when it did when I first blow dried it. But that the hardest thing for me was the parting. I don't do good parts. I'm not good with parts at all. Trying to part the back was very difficult. Trying to part the front was difficult, just because, like I said, I'm not good at it. But the reason why I wanted to blow dry my hair is because when my hair is curly, and wet, it's really difficult to, for me to part because I feel like my hair keeps getting tangled. So that was like a small little issue, but other than that, I think that's probably it. It took me 6.5 hours. I do feel like this is a style that I would do like if I'm going on vacation or something, or even if it's just like a 3-day getaway, weekend getaway, whatever, especially if I'm beginning in the water. I would definitely do this because I feel like even if I got in the water, my hair still would stay plaited, as opposed to if I got in the water with twists, unless they were mini twists. I'm not really sure, but I'm satisfied with the way it looks. I don't know how many I have because I didn't count them, but I do think sectioning into 5 sections helped. My goal was to section it into 5 sections and spend an hour on each section, but like I said, you know, you can have a goal, you can have a plan, and it can just go out of the window. This was my first time trying this cream of nature cream of nature with argan oil. Can y'all see that? Yeah, this is my first time trying this edge control, and I really liked it. I used it on the front, and throughout the video you can see that I would put it like around. That's just for like flyaways and stuff, and then I put this on like the braid to kind of smooth out some of the hair that was sticking out. But yeah, overall I like it. I really love the length of them as well, and like I said, I'm satisfied. It took a while. I had to give me a glass of wine, child, because it was starting to get too long, but yeah, I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.